6.4, number 7. Suppose a state lottery prize of $5 million is to be paid in 20 payments of $250,000 each at the end of each year for the next 20 years. If money is worth 10% compounded annually, what is the present value of the prize? Okay. So this is an ordinary annuity because they're paid at the end of the year. We have 20 years, 10% interest, payments of $250,000, and the compounding is annual. All right, and what it's asking is what's the present value, so that's unknown. So the $5 million initially stated is relevant because that's going to be, so $5 million, if you compute this, so this is going to be equal to $5 million. But that's not the actual amount of money that is needed to make the regular payments. Okay. So this is annual, so 20 times 1. So we have 20 periods. Our interest is, so we want to write this again as a decimal always. So 10%. Okay. And we're trying to find the present value. So we want the present value. So this time the lump sum grows towards the payments. So what's important is on the, we have a negative sign there on the present value formula. Remember that. So we know the payment, interest, period. Okay, all that's known. And so we're just trying to find that, the present value. So just plug in, evaluate, so 250,000 times this growth factor. Power is okay, negative 20 divided by our period interest rate. Okay, so 1.1 minus 1.1 to the negative 20 over our period interest rate. Payments. So because this is a negative power, this result is going to get smaller. So 1 minus 0.14. Again, keep all the decimals, they matter in this. So 0.85 divided by our period interest times our payment. Okay. So 8.51 and then times our payment amount. So when we multiply this growth factor of 8.51 times the payment amount, you get 2,128,390.93. You might have more decimal points around. My calculator's run out of digit capacity on this, so that is the amount here. Now, if you compare this to 5 million, you'll notice that this is less than half. So in order to get these regular payments of 250,000, less than half of the amount, specifically about 8.5% of the total, or 8.5 times the total times the payments, needs to be invested, which is a little bit more than 2 million. Okay.